हय, मुख्यमंत्री म्हणटा स्कुलांना पूण एग्जामी आसतल्यो। कोरोना व्हायरसाचे फाटभुंयेर ताणें हो उपाय सुचयला। पूण परीक्षे निमतान भुरगीं स्कुलांनी येतलीच न्ही, देखून कांय हायस्कुलांनीच थारायला यत्ता 1 सावन 8वे मेरेनच्या भुरग्यांच्यो परीक्षाय घेवच्यो न्हय। भुरग्यांच्यो सुटयो आदींच सुरू जाल्यात, जाल्यार 15 एप्रिला मेरेन परीक्षा फुडें धुकलपाचो कॉलेजींनी निर्णय घेतला। ते खातीर पोर्शन 1 एप्रिलाकूच पुराय करतले।
सोमारच्यान सुटी जाहीर करपी विद्यालया मदलें म्हापशेंचें सारस्वत विद्यालय हें एक। मुख्यमंत्र्याचें आवाहन आनी रायट टू एज्युकेशन एक्टाक धरून सगळ्यांच्या एकमतान हो निर्णय घेतला अशें सोसायटीचो अध्यक्ष रामनाथ बुरयेन सांगलें।
We have to abide by Honorable CM's decision. But in the same way, if we start conducting exams as per the schedule, our schedule for the exam from 1st to 9th was from 19th of this month. So again, what will happen is all the students will start coming to the premises, and then the purpose of the school being isolated for 15 days will not be served. So we took a decision as per the RTCE, that is the right to common education, from 1st to 8th. That is 1st to 8th. In any case, the student goes to the 9th standard. From 1st to 8th, we thought that exam is not a mandatory, but precautionary measures for the student is more mandatory than the exams. For students of 1st to 8th, we think that the school is over for them. We are trying to finish our 9th standard exam, and as per Honorable CM's decision, the 10th standard, 11th standard, 12th standard exams will go as per the schedule.
दुसरे वटेन गोंय विद्यापीठाचो कुलगुरू आणि उच्च माध्यमिक शिक्षण संचालनालयाच्या संचालकान आयतारा सगळ्या कॉलेजींच्या प्रिन्सिपला बरोबर एक बसका घेतली। सगळ्यांनीच 15 एप्रिला मेरेन परीक्षा फुडें धुकल्ल्यात। देखून 1 एप्रिल मेरेन कोणच विद्यार्थी कॉलेजीक येवचो ना। 1 ते 14 एप्रिला मजगती पोर्शन पुराय करतले अशें पणजेच्या डॉन बॉस्कोच्या प्रिन्सिपलान सांगलें।
Vice Chancellor called for an emergency meeting at the university yesterday, where it was discussed that to accommodate this 15 days loss, the exams will be pushed to the 15th of April. So the teachers get additional 15 days to complete their syllabus and be prepared for the exams. So our exams like BPED was supposed to start on the 2nd of April, they have been pushed to 15th. And similar other courses like BCA, BSW, BA Mass Comm was supposed to be started on the 6th of April, they have been pushed to the 15th onwards. So the other exams, the BBA and BBA Travel and Tourism, are left for the discretion of the college itself.
आमचे खबराकार म्हापशेच्यान संदीप कामोलकार आणि पणजेच्यान व्हिडिओ पत्रकार अमर चावरिया।